This is a 30-day reset built around the natural rhythm of the moon, from one full moon to the next. For the first half of this cycle, we're focusing on release, letting go of what's draining you, what's outdated, and what no longer fits your life. Not in a dramatic or unrealistic way, but through honest awareness and small, intentional shifts. Then, as we move into the second half, we shift toward building, getting clear on what you actually want, what matters most right now, and how to start aligning your daily life with that. This isn't about perfection, and it's not about doing everything right. It's about paying attention, being honest with yourself, and making small changes that add up over time. You don't need anything fancy to do this. Just a few minutes a day and a willingness to show up. Start where you are, stay consistent, and let the process work. Now, tonight's full moon isn't about manifesting. It's about being honest about what's not working. Today, you're not adding anything to your life. You're subtracting. Grab a notebook and write down what you're ready to let go of. Not what sounds good to release, but what's actually draining you. What is currently taking more from me than it's giving? That could be a habit, a situation, a version of yourself you've outgrown. Don't overthink it. If it frustrates you, it belongs on the list. We're not fixing it yet. Just seeing it clearly is step one. Now that you've written down what you're ready to release, we're going to take a few minutes to actually process and let that go. Mentally and emotionally. Find a comfortable position. You can sit or lie down. Gently close your eyes. Take a slow breath in through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Again, slow inhale and a longer exhale. Let your shoulders drop. Relax your jaw and clench anything you're holding. With each exhale, allow your body to soften just a little more. Bring your attention to your body. Notice where you might be holding tension. Your chest, your stomach, your shoulders. You don't need to fix it, just notice it. Now gently bring to mind one thing you wrote down, just one. See it clearly, not the story around it, just the thing itself. Notice how it feels in your body. Does it feel heavy, tight, draining? Whatever comes up is okay. You're not here to judge it, just to recognize it. Now imagine holding this in your hands. And with your next exhale, imagine slowly letting it go. You can picture it dissolving, drifting away, or simply becoming lighter. No force, just release. You don't need to solve it tonight. You don't need to fully detach in this moment. This is just the beginning of letting go. If it feels right, bring in one more thing from your list and repeat the same process. Now bring your focus back to your breath. Inhale. Exhale. Notice your body again. A little lighter, a little more open. Place a hand on your chest if that feels good. And remind yourself, I am allowed to release what no longer serves me. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Take your time coming back. You don't have to let everything go at once. Just start loosening your grip. Now, keep your journal or notebook in a specific place, a place you can easily visualize when necessary. Place, for now, the things you want to release are tucked away, not to be overthought or overanalyzed. It's time to rest. Good night, and hope you will join for day 2.